Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and have a really great day. In this video, welcome to a unboxing video, just a simple one today. I received some packages here from a few different people, I guess some businesses as well, and we are gonna see what they sent me today. It's gonna be a fun one. So without further ado, let's begin. I got one right here, and let's open it up, guys. Let's open it up. Give me one sec. What's this? Oh, what is this? Altered component. Oh my god. Oh, well that's cool. What? Panda pool. Wait, he's got a note here. Oh, let me open this. Oh, let's read this. Let's read this, shall we? It's a great day to be a miner, provided you don't look at the profitability. Here's a small token to express our gratitude for what you have done and continue to do for the mining community. Thanks, Altered Component. Oh man, Altered Component, Misfit Mining. Oh man, that is so cool. Altered Component, buddy. Thank you so much. Red Panda and a Deadpool like figurine here. That's pretty sweet. Oh, and you sent me your sticker as well. That is beautiful. Altered Component, thank you so much. Sorry it's been so late. I know you sent this to me a while ago, and I just found the package. Guys, go check out Altered Component. He is one of the best crypto mining YouTubers on YouTube right now. Go check him out. Link down below, guys. Let's get him to 10,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it. Altered Component, great stuff, buddy. This is gonna go right onto my sticker wall, actually. Right over here, with the other, we got Chump Change, we got Tech Shinji, we got Space Goats, we got GPUrisers.com, and Misfit Mining sticker, and of course mine over here. So Altered Component, where am I gonna put you? I'm gonna put you maybe on this side. Yeah, that'll look pretty cool. Thank you so much, buddy. Oh, this was so wholesome. Oh, we got another sticker here. Okay, well, I'll put this up as well. So cool. Thank you for the note as well, Altered Component. Oh, okay, well, I don't think anything is gonna beat that. That was really good. That was really good, Altered Component. Thanks again, man. Okay, guys, next up we have, let's open up this one. I actually did open it up already, kind of, not all the way, but let's read it here. There's a note at the very top. All right, so let's see who this is from. This is from Untitled 3D. Hey RedPandaMining, here is our anticipated package. We're a small 3D manufacturing company that mainly focuses on creating useful tools and products for the crypto mining community. Included, we have an RX 470 4GB Shroud and fan. When turned on, it spins up the fast, but once booted, it should dial back. Okay, interesting. 2 GPU stands that are built for economically shipping. Okay, interesting. A sample of our P106 and RX 470 PCIe bracket adapter. We have short installation guide on our website for our shrouds. It's quite simple and easy. We also include compatible fan and screws for a sturdy connection. We're constantly updating and improving our existing products and plan to offer a few more different shroud types in the future, and maybe even GPUs, and we are open to feedback and suggestions on current or future products. Here are our settings on Hive OS. Okay, well that's pretty sick. Enjoy mining Raven blocks. James Untitled 3D.ca. Oh man, that is so sick, James. Thank you so much, buddy. Let's see what you got here. This is okay. There's one of the brackets here. I think that's to hold the GPU. I'm not very well versed in 3D printed products, especially for mining. Okay, that looks pretty cool. All right, now let's keep it going here, guys. Okay, I know, okay, he sent 2 more different shrouds. I know there's a few different things here. Okay, another one of those. I'm just gonna like spread this out. And he's got, oh, what? No, what? He sent a GPU. Is this a GPU? This looks like a, oh, dude. Okay, hold on. What? What is this? This, I had to turn it around. This is an RX 470 4 gigabyte. And it seems like it's a Sapphire. Yeah, Sapphire edition. And I think this is a 3D printed shroud on the heatsink. Wow, that is, it says RX 470 there, untitled 3D. Nice, wow. This is like really small form factor, but this is definitely, is it a custom GPU shroud on top of it, even the metal block. That is awesome. Hey, James, thank you so much, man. This is definitely a mining specific 470 4 gigabyte card. Wow, I'm definitely gonna try that out. And looks like you sent, did you send me another, wait, no, what, no. Did you send another one? Oh my God, really? What is this? What is this? No. Oh my God, he sent another one. Or is this is a different GPU, I think. Let's see. Oh no, RX 470. Oh yeah, okay, I see the sticker in there. It's an RX 470 as well, except it has different PCB. It's like green instead of the black one here. That's pretty cool. I wonder what the difference is between these two, but I guess they're the same GPU. Wow. James, I can't believe it, man. Thank you for the, wow, the RX 470 4 gigabyte cards. There's one more thing that you left in here, and it looks like these are, okay, I just had to open that. Looks like these are like IO bracket holders for the IO shield there, I guess. Awesome stuff. Okay, James, thank you so much, man. That is pretty killer. Guys, go check out untitleded3d.ca if you guys are interested in any of the products that I just showed here. That is pretty sick. James, thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Oh man, I was not expecting to receive graphics cards. All right, guys, next package. Let's open up this one over here. And I got my trusty knife. AKA an older PCIe riser as my knife. Works really great. Okay, this one is from good old nerdgears.com. Man, I don't think I haven't talked about them for a while. What's this? We got risers, of course. Oh, these ones are, looks like these are the new 8 capacitor risers. Very nice, very nice. Let me take all these out. You know what? Let me just open one. Whoa! Whoa, this, okay, this looks pretty slick. Holy smoke, this is like blocked out. I like the aluminum piece or metal piece on the PCIe riser. It looks like we got a lot of LED indicators on that part right there. Wow, this is pretty sick. This looks like, this feels heavy duty. Like, wow. I should do like a comparison video against a bunch of other risers that I got. And wow, this looks pretty nice, actually. I'll definitely do a video comparing against other ones. Wow, these are really nice. Nerdgears.com, thank you so much. Okay, what else do we got here? Oh man, did I get sent another this is a GPU. Oh man, okay. I am not expecting GPUs. What is this? What? Sapphire? What? What is this? This is a Sapphire, oh, what? It's got 2 6-pins, not even 8-pin. And, okay, let's just see what this, oh my God, this is an R9 380 4 gigabyte card. Oh, dude, this is old school. Nerd Gears. What am I supposed to do with this R9 380 4 gigabyte card? I guess it's still profitable. I mean, according to what to mine, this GPU is still Alright, I guess I have to do a video on an R9 380 4GB card. This card, this GPU, I think is like from 2013 or 2014. I think. You guys can let me know down in the comments. Wow. That is funny. Nerdgears.com, thank you for the GPU. I was not expecting that. That's pretty funny. That's actually pretty funny. All right, what else we got here? Oh, we got a bunch of splitters, and actually, a good segue here into stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a video comparing a bunch of PCIe splitters that I have attained and used over the years, and also burned a few. Okay, I'm gonna have a video about that, and we're gonna cut them open and see what the gauge of the wiring is on all of these different splitters. I'll explain in the video where I got them, and yeah, it looks like Nerdgears just sent me a whole crap load more here. Really nice, all blacked out PCIe cables. Okay, going along, Nerdgears also sent me, this looks like to be a PDU. Oh man, let's open this. Oh, no way. Dude, there's the Nerdgears logo. It's this is the 240 volt 30 amp, definitely 240 volt 30 amp, and it's got a amperage meter PDU VA meter, and there are 8 C13 plugs here. That is, or C14, one of those two. And wow, some of you guys who watch my channel know that I have a similar PDU that I got off China that has a watt meter on it as well, or sorry, amperage meter, not watt meter. So this I'll definitely have in another video to show you guys. I believe I saw Nerdgears have these on their website, but I think they're all sold out already. So I guess I don't know if I should make a dedicated video on this, but I'll talk to Nerdgears and I'll ask them if they're gonna get more of these, and I'll definitely test this out and see how these work. Honestly, it looks pretty cool. Looks really good. The build quality, it feels pretty good. So I'll definitely try that out. Nerdgears, thank you so much for the PDU, and that looks like that's it. Okay, awesome stuff. Nerdgears, thank you so much for the risers and the GPU as well. This is a really nice riser. I'm definitely gonna plug that in and see what these LEDs look like. Okay, all right, saving the best for last. Actually, no, everything that I opened today is definitely all equal in terms of just amazing. I still think Alter Components' gift in the beginning was pretty awesome and really humble, and I really took that to heart. Alter Component, thank you so much, man. Okay guys, last package that we're gonna open in today's unboxing video. Let's do it. Got my trusty knife. Let's open this up. I think some of you guys may guess what this is and made videos on before. Oh man, it's red. It's my brand. All right, oh man. Okay, this is a nice red. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down and take this out of the box. Give me a sec. This is called a Mystic Miner from mysticmining.us. I'll have a link down below. You guys can see what this thing is all about. But this is specifically a 12 GPU like server case, and you can apparently put 3080s in here side by side. There is a picture I saw on their website. I'll put it up on the screen here. Apparently the spacing between each of the slots is about 65 millimeters. So that should hopefully give you guys perspective of what kind of GPUs you can fit in here. And I believe this is a B250 chipset, and so I believe the CPU is a G3930 or a G4400 and 4 gigs of RAM. Actually, this one also came with the battery. I know there are some server cases out there, depending if it came from China, they can't ship with the battery, the motherboard battery. This thing is extremely large compared to, man, we should compare it to the Octominer. I think the Octominer is a little bit smaller. This is definitely a bit wider. Anyways, this power supply is a 3300 watt platinum rated power supply, and it came coupled with 30 PCIe 8 pins. And so they claim on their website there is enough PCIe slots for 12 3080s, assuming that there are only 2 8 pins. Okay, so there's only enough for 2 8 pins on each GPU, and so it looks like there's a bunch of other PCIe cables here that go into the motherboard, and it looks like this is a little fan controller to power on these 140 or 120 mil fans. I think these are actually 120 mil fans, not 140. They're probably like Delta fan style, really loud, and they push a lot of air. Anyways, mysticmining.us, thank you for the server case. I will have a dedicated video giving this a try, testing it out. And yeah, so far I like it because it's red, powder coated red, I believe. It's nice and shiny too. You guys will see that video down the road. mysticmining.us, thanks again. Guys, go check it out if you guys are interested, but otherwise I would wait for my review of this and once I get 12 GPUs in here. I don't know what GPUs to put in here, but I guess we'll figure that out when that time comes. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's the unboxing video. Man, we got a nice couple good things today. GPUs, 3D printed stuff. We got Alter Component sending me a Panda Pool figurine here. Nerd Gears with the PDU and an R9 380 4GB GPU. That's pretty funny. I'll make a dedicated video on that GPU. We'll see if it's making any money these days. And Untitled3D.ca, thank you so much, man, for the 2 GPUs and your 3D printed stuff here. I'll definitely try that out as well. Oh man, just, you guys are awesome. Thank you everyone who sent me stuff here. I'm gonna be extremely busy making more videos of this stuff. This is gonna be awesome. I love what I do. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.